Have him sit. Heel. Sit.
Sit.
You have to stop.
Sit.
Heel him over there to the dumbbell. Heel him to the dumbbell. Don't trip. Heel him up to the dumbbell. Tell him to sit. Tell him to wait. Pick up the dumbbell. Throw it over the jump. All right.